In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sub-accounts in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to enhance how you manage your finances, setting up sub-accounts can really help you organize your business transactions more effectively. Now let's dive right in. The first step is to sign into your QuickBooks account. This is quite straightforward. You'll start by going to the QuickBooks website and clicking on the sign in button. This will take you to the login page where you should select the option for QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks provides several different products, so make sure you choose the one you're actually using. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, type in your credentials, enter your email and password associated with your account, and then click Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the settings. This part is easy. Just look for the gear icon, which represents settings, and click on it. It typically resides in the upper right corner of the interface. Getting comfortable with where the settings are will save you time in the future. After opening the settings menu, select Chart of Accounts. This important feature will list all your current accounts and is crucial for the proper categorization of your financial data. Within the Chart of Accounts, look for the option to create a new account. Usually this is indicated by a new button, so go ahead and click on that. Now we're going to create a sub-account. Start by entering a name for your account. Make sure that this name is both descriptive and easy to understand so you can quickly locate it later. Next, you'll need to select an account type. This defines the nature of the account you're creating, whether it's for income, expenses, assets, or another category. Take your time on this step because choosing the correct account type is essential for accurate financial reporting. Following this, you will want to select the detail type. This is a more specific classification under the broader account type, which gives additional context to your account entries. Now here is the key for making it a sub-account. Look for an option that says make this a sub-account and make sure to check it. This allows you to link it to a parent account, providing you with that layered and organized view of your finances. Finally, once the sub-account box is checked, select the parent account. The parent account is the main account under which your new sub-account will reside. It should be something that logically includes the sub-account you're creating. Lastly, all you need to do is hit save to finalize your new sub-account. Congratulations! You've successfully added a sub-account to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks, giving you more granular control over your financial records. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most out of QuickBooks.